Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to send money back home to Nigeria quickly and securely? Perhaps you're a student abroad, an expat living far away, or simply someone looking to support loved ones back home. If so, you've probably come across Paysend, a popular international money transfer service. But does Paysend offer a reliable and efficient way to send money to Nigeria? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Paysend. What is Paysend? Paysend is a global money transfer platform that allows you to send money to over 125 countries, including Nigeria. It's known for its competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a popular choice for many people. How does Paysend work? Sending money with Paysend is a simple process. You'll need to create an account on their website or app, provide the recipient's details, and choose your preferred payment method. Once you've confirmed the transaction, the funds will be transferred to the recipient's account. Sending money to Nigeria with Paysend. Supported methods. Paysend offers various methods for sending money to Nigeria, including bank transfers, card payments, and cash pickups. The most convenient method for you will depend on your personal preferences and the recipient's location. Fees and exchange rates. One of the biggest advantages of using Paysend is its competitive exchange rates and low fees. While the exact fees may vary depending on the amount you're sending and the payment method you choose, Paysend is generally considered to be a cost-effective option. Transfer speeds. Paysend claims to offer fast transfer speeds, with many transactions being completed within minutes. However, the actual transfer time may vary depending on factors such as the recipient's bank and the payment method used. Pros and cons of using Paysend. Pros. Competitive exchange rates. Low fees. Fast transfer speeds. Wide range of supported countries. Easy-to-use platform. Cons. Limited customer support options. Potential delays in certain cases. May not be the cheapest option for all currencies. Alternatives to Paysend. Western Union, a well-known international money transfer service that offers a wide range of options. TransferWise, another popular choice known for its transparent fees and competitive exchange rates. WorldRemit, a global money transfer company that offers a variety of services, including bill payments and airtime top-ups. Is Paysend the right choice for you? Factors to consider. When deciding whether to use Paysend to send money to Nigeria, it's important to consider factors such as the transfer speed, fees, exchange rates, and the convenience of the payment methods. Personal preferences. Ultimately, the best money transfer service for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. In conclusion, Paysend offers a convenient and affordable way to send money to Nigeria. With its competitive exchange rates, low fees, and fast transfer speeds, it's a viable option for many people. However, it's important to compare Paysend with other services to find the best deal for your specific needs. If you're considering sending money to Nigeria, I encourage you to explore Paysend and see if it's the right choice for you. You can visit their website or download their app to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.